polls are officially closed. Everybody out.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
I'm ordering you and everybody else to leave these premises. Polls are closed.
Like hell they are. These people came here to vote.
Damn it, Chris!
Yep. What? All right. Jack just got shot. Over to the post office. McMillan's got some kind of army over there. They closed the polls. Hey, Billy. You got the keys to the armory? Let's go. Hold up.
Alice, George, you stay back!
This man hurt in there. He needs help.
I won't shoot you, George, but I swear I will. Now, we're taking what we came for and we're getting out of here.
It's gonna be all right.
Come on!
Tell Cantrell he's gone too far this time, McMillan.
Hell, George, it's all your fault. You should have kept your mouth shut and minded your own business.
What the hell we do now, George?
You will be looking for a job. Then you tell him it's Tom Cantrell and it's an emergency. All right, how many of them are out there?
Well, it's hard to tell. Every 10 minutes, another farmer with a shotgun pulls up.
Yeah, Earl. Yeah, you better believe it's important. I got a bunch of renegade veterans with guns surrounding my jail. They're trying to steal the ballot boxes, that's what. No, I don't know how many. There's 100 of them, maybe 200. Look, I need some help, and I need it fast. Yes, Earl, I have men, but I don't have enough to... Yeah. Yes, all right. You just hurry, you understand? Someday we'll see how fast I move when your back's up against the wall. Cover the window. What do you say? Gonna mobilize the National Guard. We just have to sit tight and wait. In the meantime, let's do what we came here to do. Open it up!
Tom, this is George Meade. We want 2 of your deputies to come down, unarmed with the ballot boxes. Set them right down here in the middle of the street. We'll take them, do an official count, then we can all go home. Now, if I don't see that ballot box come through that door in 1 minute, we're gonna open fire. You got 60 seconds. 20.
You're out of your mind, George. We're the law here, not you. The National Guard's on its way, and they're gonna... Who fired that shot?
Anybody hit?
This is crazy. Give them what they want. They're gonna kill us. Just shut up. Now keep calm. They'll never get in this building. We're safe here till help comes.
You heard what they said. As soon as the National Guard gets here, they're going to shoot first, ask questions later.
We'll go to prison, George. If they don't kill us first. We've got to get those ballot boxes out of there before the Guard gets here. If we can do that, then it's just a matter of time before we get a chance to tell our side of the story. Whole town's our witness.
So what are we going to do, George? The brick's too solid. We can't shoot through it. They can stay in there all night.
We'll just have to blow it. Our backs on you, Johnny. Let you walk away. Nobody blame you for staying away.
It's different when it's a war, right, George?
Yeah, but it shouldn't be.
I'm not doing this for you. I'm doing this to get rid of Cantrell. I'm doing it because this is my town, too. Put your head down, amigo.
Where's Cantrell?
Gone.
Where is he?
I swear, he ran down the stairs and out the back after the explosion.
Out. Get out!
Congratulations, Mr. Mayor.